today's vid, we are showing you how to remove warts removal. So first thing foremost, first of all, we have to make sure that the face of the client or the skin will be clean, and we are using this, what's this product now, the Beautiful Skin toner. So right now we are doing the cleaning of the face. So as you can see, marami pong warts yung ating client. And we are here right now at Touch and Care Massage and Spa. So pag may mga queries and booking for appointments, you can just call us, or you can just see our page at facebook.com, and please call us for your bookings. Lidocaine cream right on the surface of the warts, para alam mo na guys, para hindi natin ma-feel yung pain, because here at Touch and Care, warts removal is pain free. So we promise that to you, our lovely clients, and we will be giving you this lidocaine cream, super effective. It will be leave on the surface for about 15 minutes, right? Doktora?
15 to 20
15 to 20 minutes. Don't worry, wag po kayong matakot sa warts removal. We will be using the cautery machine, which is susunugin yung ating warts.
Ang dami. Tingin ka muna sa taas. Tingin ka.
So dito po sa Touch and Care, hindi po kami nagtitipid ng lidocaine cream, because we see to it na hindi po masasaktan ng ating client, and we have a positive feedback. Tapos of course, sana mainganyo natin yung iba na pumunta dito at magpatanggal na rin ng warts.
Ano ba ito, sir? Buo?
So guys, right now we are putting some masking tape on top of the lidocaine cream, kasi usually yung ibang client makulit ang kamay, they will suddenly scratch their face. So matatanggal ang ating mga lidocaine cream, and first thing, most of all, yung ating penetration ng ating cream is more effective. We make sure na guarded ang ating lidocaine cream. And after all of these things, we'll wait for 15 to 20 minutes para sa ating positive result ng ating cream. Then we'll proceed to the burning of the warts, or removing of the warts, using the cautery machine. So guys, after 15 minutes nating binabad yung lidocaine cream, so tatanggalin na natin yung ating masking tape na ipinatong. As you can see, ready na po tayo for the fourth step. This is what we call the using of the machine. This is the cautery. starting on the left side of the face.
Start na ako ha.
As you can see guys, it's painless. You can makikita niyo po sa facial expression ng ating client. So wala siyang nararamdaman. And it's really burning. Yan po. Mausok siya. So it's normal na meron po kayong maaamoy na na kakaibang amoy. That is yung warts na nasusunog. So parang kinikiliti ka lang guys.
Masarap.
Masarap daw siya, masarap. Kung bibilangin natin yung warts na tinatanggal ngayon, ako, napakarami na. It's like nasa 20 pieces na siya. So if avail nyo po yung ating promo, which is the package 1, from face to neck, that would be like 1,500 po ang ating promo for warts removal dito sa Touch and Care Massage and Spa, Diversion Road, Nursery Highway, just opposite of Department of Agriculture Co-op. Tapat lang mismo sir, mga ma'am. At second floor po ng mismong green na building, Guevara Building, beside Past Building. So guys, after removing the warts using the cautery machine, so right now we are going to give some antibiotic cream and some hydrocortisone cream, which is the anti-allergy. So provided na po yan sa ating package. So for our first application is the antibiotic cream. Actually yung nasabi kong provided yung antibiotic cream natin ito yung pag nag-avail po kayo ng package natin, package promo, which is the 1.5. But then, pag nag-avail po kayo ng per piece, kasi meron po tayong per piece na warts. So, bibilhin po natin ito. And we are giving it for very cheap price. So, don't worry guys. So, antibiotic cream. Then, on top, we will put the hydrocortisone cream. So that's it guys. Dito nagtatapos ang ating warts removal. So hopefully sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating vid, and convince natin yung ibang mga kababayan natin dyan na may warts at pumunta na dito para magpatanggal na po dito lang sa Touch and Care Massage and Spa. So hopefully ma-convince po namin kayo, and see you soon. God bless. Thank you.